Welcome back traders. Today, we will explore the new feature in QuantPower option algos. Let's get started. This is the QuantPower homepage. To access option algos, we click on the Algos tab and select option algos. Here, you can create a new strategy by clicking on Add New. You can select your index, expiry date, strike price, lot size, and whether you want to buy or sell call or put options. Click Add. We also offer predefined strategies. Let's select short straddle. You can see that the legs have been added automatically. Next, you can set your target algo, whether in points or percentage. You can also set your stop loss, again in points or percentage. Let's select a 20-point stop loss. You can also choose to exit all your trades when stop loss hits or just exit this leg. Next, you can set the start and end time for your strategy, as well as the days you want to run it. You can choose to do a live trade or a virtual trade. Finally, you can select your broker and give your strategy a customized name. Click Save and your strategy will be executed. Let me show you one of my accounts where I'm trading with the help of this amazing tool. As you can see, this tool has made trading incredibly convenient. Now, anyone can trade with ease without being worried about sitting in front of the screen for long hours.